Unlock your success in CBN and NDIC risk-based supervision. Are you ready to soar in the world of banking and financial supervision? Don't miss out on the opportunity to excel in your career with the ultimate pre-examination toolkit for CBN and NDIC risk-based supervision. Maximize your banking career with RBS supervision. Unleash the power of risk-based supervision for Mfb today. Stay ahead of the game. Elevate your risk management skills with the complete RBS toolkit. Boost your banking knowledge and supercharge your performance with the CBN and NDIC examination, pre-examination toolkit. Get your hands on it now. Become an expert in premium assessment. Master the art of FPAS and DPAS calculation. Minimize risks and maximize profits. Transform your bank's future with our step-by-step guide to enterprise-wide risk management. Upgrade your compliance game. Empower your board with essential reports and enhanced decision-making. Your success starts now. Reach out to us at 0803-422-3297 for more information and secure your pathway to success today. Click the link below to uncover the wealth of knowledge awaiting you in this course. Don't wait another moment to unlock your potential. Seize the opportunity and pave your way to a brighter banking future with this innovative creation of Mrs. Fejiro Ugute, a distinguished microfinance certified banker, MCIB, boasting a remarkable 12-year tenure in multifaceted realms of microfinance banking. Presently assuming the esteemed role of chairperson within the National Association of Microfinance Banks, Delta State Chapter, Mrs. Fejiro Ugute. Influential leadership extends further as she has previously held the esteemed position of Secretary General within the association's South-South Zone. She is an esteemed fellow of the Institute of Credit Administration, underscoring her profound expertise and contributions to the field. Don't let 10,000 Naira stop you today. Act now.